Hello everyone. Okay, today's task will be about creating a link, what you call an hyperlink in HTML, from one page to another. Then, as a good practice, we are going to open a folder from the phone, and we are using anwriter on Android. Then I'll use my file manager. Okay, I'll browse to the internal share storage, and I'll I create a folder. Okay, I'll name my folder website. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'll scroll down and check for www. Okay, here we go. That website, my folder called website. Then I'll go to anwriter, which is free. I'm sure that you've already downloaded anwriter in your device. If it's not anwriter on iOS, it's HTML and HTML5 editor. So I'm using Android phone, so I use anwriter. Okay, then I'll open a new folder. I'll open a new folder on plus in here. Okay, this is right there. I'll open a new folder. Great. Okay. Then in a new folder, I'm going to lay out first the basic structure of HTML. The first website will be the main website will be named index.html. And then HTML in here. You have everything easy, and body. Okay, I have body right there, and body closing, and body closing. Okay, I can add on the head, or it depends. If I want to have a title displaying on the web browser, I can add on the title. If I don't want anything, so I can just pass it. I can just leave it empty without any title. Okay, let me say I add on the title, and before the title is the head opening and head closing. Okay, that, and head right there. Good. Now, and I'm going to save it. I press on save button. I'll scroll down and I'll check for website, www website. Here we go. So in this folder, I'll change the name of my web page. I call it index.html and press save. Okay, my web page is saved, and I can press the play button here to see what is the result, what result I'm going to have in here. There it's so the play button. This play button will use it to preview the web pages, the web pages that are created. So if I press play, okay, my web page is empty. Okay, then if I add on some blah 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 whatever, and I save it and press play, you see it's working. Good. It is working. Now let me remove everything. So the main thing is I'm going to create two pages. This one named index, and the other one named ict.html. I've already saved it. Okay, so let me say this will be e7, e7, and e7 and ict, e7. Just say e7 only. And under e7, I want to create I'd like to create something in there, a link. Okay, that's say click here. Okay, ICT, click here, ICT, to go to the ICT web page. That it. Then we know that to create the link, the hyperlink, we need the A anchor. So I need to add on the A anchor. It proposed me that is the A anchor. After clicking the A anchor, I got already the hyperlink reference here. Hyperlink reference means the href is the link, is the name of the web page, the name of the link. Click here is the text that we need to click on to go to the page that will be in here, in the quotation. So I know that my page should be named ict.html. Let me say it is ict.html. And in here, it is a container tag. So I need to close it. I save it and press play. Okay, so you have your 7, click here. Okay, good. Now I need to click here, ICT to be, the link to be a little bit down. I need to put it under, so I'll use P paragraph. P4 paragraph. I'll create a paragraph in there, so I'm going to have some space. So then save and play. So it's right there, some space under there. Now I need to create the second page, which is ict.html. So I press on the plus button to add on another web page. Okay, great. So I'm going to lay out the same HTML. Okay, let me say I can just copy and paste. I can just copy and paste this one. Let me close everything here that I created before. It doesn't have anything to do with what you have here. This one too. Okay, I close it, and no name also close. So we got only this one website. This is what you have. Now I can just copy the full stuff and paste. I can copy the full stuff and paste, or I can rewrite it. And then let me say I would like to rewrite everything. So I add on a page. I'll do the same really fast. I'll do the same. Do the same HTML. I'm going to put only body opening and body closing. Okay, good. Now this one will be called ICT. Okay, ICT web page, and I want the ICT title to be bigger, so I can use H1. H1 is the character and H1 closing. Okay, so I got this up and running. I save, and I'm going to name this ICT ict.html. I save it in the same place, the same folder. I save it in the same folder. Let me try save and play. I got ICT working. This is ICT page. And to have to see the difference very clearly, I can say that this the background I want it to be yellow. So let me say I want it to be yellow, so equal to quotation yellow. Okay, great. Save and okay, great. And working and preview and working. Good. Now let me say I save it already as ict.html. Now let me go to the ICT to the index.html page. I press on index page. I got the index page right here. Let me preview. The index page looks like this with a link. This is an external link. I press on the external link. Let me press on the external link, which is in blue. Great, it's working. So I've created a link between this, I can say HTML, between index to ICT HTML. So index.html, click on index.html, this one, okay, link, and you go to ict.html. Okay, that is pretty simple. Okay, good.